Everyone. So today we're just going to go over the filter function in a little more detail. So we're going to upload this file again, work with this NHL data, and I'm going to show you how to filter in dplyr, but also using base R, which is kind of just coding in R without activating this dplyr package if you're going to filter. So we'll take a look at the base R approach first. So, it's important to if you're interested in learning R, to practice for sure. So, we're going to do the filtering in this video. We'll go over some of the other components in later videos. So we're going to start here with this NHL. So the brackets here. Now, this is how you filter in base R. So I would take this data frame, and then the money sign here is how I activate all the columns. So I can go like, okay, let's do points here, and we'll see who has over 99 points. So we can run this and take a look. Okay, so these are people, no particular order, but points over 99. Let's do another example. Take that same NHL 97 brackets. We look at team. Philly. Oh, and okay, goals over 30. All right, Wayne Simmons, a couple of 30-goal seasons. Scott Hartnell, 37. So yeah, so now you can see how we can filter in base R. Now let's take a look at filtering in dplyr again. So dplyr approach, and we'll do NHL. Okay, so now we're going to filter. So you can see the same thing, 42 observations, 20 variables. So it's filtering the exact same thing. One's just base R, and the other's in dplyr. Cool. So let's do another example. We'll do the other one that we did. So 2, we want to filter. So this is the data frame that I'm working with. Team Philly. Second, goals greater than 30. So again, see the same thing comes up. One's just using base R, and the other's using dplyr. So let's do a couple more examples where we're using dplyr, and we'll even do with the piping method. So we're going to add the pipe here. So just call this NHL. And we're going to take that. I got to rerun this. So we're going to take this, pipe this, we're going to filter points over 99. And this time, the reason we're piping it so we can arrange it, we'll add a range in there. And we're going to arrange it by points. So again, we're using the piping method because we're adding more functions in. So here we're just kind of using filter alone, which is why the first command here is just the like what this is here, but now we're piping here and then adding filter and arrange. Here we're just kind of doing it. So it's kind of two different ways of doing it, but this way is better if you're working with multiple things like filter, arrange, and mutate or any other functions within dplyr. So let's take a look at this. There we go. So we got the top points, anyone at above 99 points. So here at the bottom, you see 100 points, just over 99. So doing one more example. And then I encourage you to take a data set that you have, try different filters, get comfortable with it, and then go from there. So this time we're taking the flyers with goals. We're going to arrange it by goals, so we can see who had over 30 goals in order from 1997 to 2018 on the flyers. So let's take a look. So John Leclerc had 51 goals. He began with 47 Gagne. When did he do that? In 2005, 2006. Jeff Carter. So yeah, so now, kind of again telling more stories with our data and just a few lines of code, and we're going over how to do that using base-R, dplyr approach, and then dplyr adding some piping to arrange it and kind of order our data so it makes sense. So again, going to have more videos here kind of explaining other functions within dplyr and going over it in more detail. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Appreciate you for watching, and look out for later videos. Thank you.